Your home is your sanctuary, but maintaining its cleanliness is no small task. Did you know that your seemingly clean home could be harboring unseen allergens? Professional cleaning eliminates harmful particles, ensuring a healthier living environment for your family. While professional cleaning services may seem like an expense, it's a small investment compared to potential health expenses. Hear from satisfied families who have experienced the positive impact of professional house cleaning. See firsthand how advanced equipment and specialized cleaning techniques make a significant difference in maintaining a pristine home. Invest in the health and well-being of your family. Choose professional house cleaning today, because a clean home is a healthy home. Make the right choice for your family's comfort and well-being. Ready to experience the difference in your home? Contact us to schedule your professional house cleaning today. Your clean and healthy home awaits. Thank you for watching.